I have started the recording, Kalyan.
So, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Do you have? Do you know about Zoho?
Yeah.
Do you, do you have that? Did you play with the tools of Zoho?
No, Kalyan. Actually, I have knowledge about Zoho. It's a CRM application.
No, Zoho is not only CRM application. Zoho is a lot of things. And
Okay.
you know the Airtable.
No, Kalyan.
So why I'm telling those things? Those are the we are creating applications similar like them.
Okay.
Okay. So our everything the code from UI side are developed. We are not using any extra library. Whatever requirement is coming, we are creating by our own. Even for drag and drop, everything is created by our normal JavaScript and jQuery.
Okay, we are not using any other extra libraries.
No extra libraries. Basic libraries like jQuery, some calendar and combo box. That's it. But the other things are we are creating by our own.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So just I'm just giving you one example here. Structure. So our application. Just let me give you that. This is the application URL.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, we are providing the user to access to their database. Okay, like Airtable. Airtable has a table, everything is a table structure, and as well as in Zoho Creator, they are focusing on the form specific things. So we are putting those in the same frame, database, means tables, and as well as a form together, and also we are giving the feature like survey and quiz, similar feature like Survey Monkey. Okay.
Salary monitoring, right?
Survey Monkey. Do you know Survey Monkey?
No, Kalyan. Salary monkey.
So is this one that creating surveys and quiz applications? They are specialists.
Okay, okay,
Okay. So also we are creating the like form. We are creating form. We are creating survey. We can create quiz. We have the
okay,
option to create report all together.
okay, okay, okay. Those are done by Survey Monkey.
No, no, no. See, if you can see my screen, form is similar like Zoho Creator.
Okay, okay, yes.
Survey and quiz are similar like SurveyMonkey. And do
Okay,
you know
okay.
SRS application, report application? So it's a report application. It is a report application. Okay,
Okay.
I'm giving the complete hint so that you have the basic idea. So whatever I implemented here is in 1 hour in 1 hour I implement all the things, but I don't have that much time to uh, work on the UI side because I have to work on the backend side.
Okay,
So
okay.
that we need an expert jQuery guy who has an idea to create or debug the whole system and also create the jQuery libraries. Okay. So this is a table structure, right? And also in the form, multiple forms are there. So also relationship between the form is important. Means you have a table like country table. Okay, you have a
Okay.
table of the city table. So if you don't know the relation between the country and city, it's quite hard, right? You cannot distinguish or what are the countries are in which country, which is what are cities for which country, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
of that, you need a proper data structure. So in this sections, in the database section, we are providing a simple table with the data. Like if I click here and view data, it's bring the data, it's table, filter, SQL structure. It's all from database side, backend side, but UI we are providing the XML structure, JSON structure to creating the things. So the data here. If we want to know the relationship, we means you can see here there is activity and there is category. It's quite hard, right? I don't know what are the category, what are the activities are there, right? So if for this thing, if I go to the structure, project structure, in this project structure, if I click here for activity and category, then you can see the table and this mapping is created automatically. Things are quite easier. So this is the things we are providing. Is the
Okay.
one part. Okay. So this is initially we create this tree structure from our library of tree jQuery. Now we converted that thing. We not using that thing, the library. We are creating our own thing so that we can manage by us, right? Because in this section, this particular thing, like if I click here, it's doing something, and if in this section this particular drop down is doing something, so it's controlled by us, not by the library. Everything controlled by us, so that we can do by our stuff. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm giving you one thing there, uh, like let me give you one other because I'm just checking on separate thing. Let me give you on other aspects of the project. So here in this section, means people are most of people are not that much smart that they can create everything by them, right? So
Yes, yes.
because of that particular scenario or requirement, we are creating templates, multiple templates. Right now we have a limited amount of templates. Multiple templates are there by which they can see the design, they can see the flow, and if they love the flow, they can use the flow like from here. Okay, they
Okay.
can use that thing, or they can use the template, or after that they can change, okay, for their own requirement. Like we are providing something by which they can change from their own requirement. Now in our application we are providing five things. One is form wizard. Form wizard means applications, only user need to drag and drop the controls, and the backend structure automatically created by the AI. Okay, means the JavaScript thing analyze the content of the drag and drop, and by which it triggers the server, so that server will create the structure for the user, so that they don't need to write the thing. All are thing automated. Okay,
Okay.
this widget means don't need to do by your own. System will help you. The form where system will help you. If you feel expert, you can do by your own. Okay. Now survey means you can create the forms and quiz is only for the question answering thing, and there is the interactive thing, means from by socket connections we are doing the things like once you are in a group chat, like group quiz contest, if someone responding, and then everyone can know that someone responds the what is answer. Okay.
Okay.
So another one is report. So you have trillions of data, right? Once you are putting the data from the user, so you have a lot of data. But if you cannot create the report, it's quite hard to manage all the data or can analyze the data. So here the report, that report can help the user to create the for their own specific report, and they can write SQL, and they can by dragging dropping they can play with the field. Okay, so let me show you one thing here. Let's see in this section if this is a form or not. It's not form. Let me create on a form and show you that one flow, so you have the basic idea about the project. Okay. Do you know Kanban application?
Can you repeat it again, Kalyan?
Kanban application, Kanban, project task management application.
No, Kalyan.
So it's opening the form.
Okay. For task management, I have worked in other applications like Jira, Trello.
Yeah, you know Jira.
Yeah,
So you work on Jira application, or you create some application out of the Jira.
I work on Jira.
Okay, means you know the library, the playing the things like events. You know the thing.
I mean, I will use those applications for the task managements.
So you use the application. Okay. But we are planning to create that application. Just let me show you something here. So these are sections that we can choose layout for the drag and drop, and then it's done. Then you can put the controls like then once you put some controls like buttons, time controls, like here date controls, okay. And then once you this see here, nothing is there in database, no parameter is similar here, is controller created. If I save it, automatically you can see there in the data structure is automatically created, means we are telling the user everything on that link to the data structure. Okay, see data structure is created. Even if we choose any control here in this section, it's showing mapping, so the user know what are the controls are there for their own purposes, what are things are happening. Like if I go for the preview section, then you can see here in the preview. Let's just wait for this few seconds because this on the QA section is. That's right. Okay. So see here, I drag and drop something, and once if I want to see the design, I can see from here. So in the
Yeah.
preview section, see the calendar. If I click, calendar will open. Text things like time box, buttons are there.
Button. Yes,
So in
all
that
the
way,
field.
raw things we can play.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Another thing, like you told you use the Jira application, but we are planning to create a Jira application. Let me show you how. Here, just I'll show you one another things for the report application. How we are creating reports. What are things are doing here. So this is a report. Okay. So I create one particular report. Even we can link with multiple databases, so that if you have if you are a database guy, you can use your own database. And for report, someone going for Zoho, someone going for other companies for their own database to link sharing data. But here no need to share the data. We are providing the interface, so that you can use your data system, and by which you can create your own report, like Microsoft SSIS is giving the feature. Okay, so in this section, so in the table structure, you can zoom and zoom out here.
Okay.
Okay, so even from here you can change the landscape to portrait. It's up
Oh,
to you that what are things you need, because data report are in multiple things, right? You can do in multiple way. You can resize this thing, or it's up to you that how you can make it done. Even this section. Okay, so in this section you can put the labels here, like I'm doing here, or even from the dialog you can change the expressions, like I'm doing here. Uh, let me do one thing, similar things, like we have the formula things, right? You can write formula, and formula automatically parts from the JavaScript side. Okay, formula, right? We limited the formula here for the report, but in the form builder, or I show you last time, means before this particular things, in this section, we are bringing all the formula like in available for Microsoft Excel. And from the JavaScript side, we are like passing the parameters, like here. If you see in this section, if I click here, okay, it see it's taking the position, proper position. Those are all the things that maintained by the normal JavaScript. Okay, it's not written by our library. Okay.
okay.
So let me put some simple today formula. Okay, let's save it. And after that, let me save it this section. No, let me save it first. And once the save done, so I can show you the preview here. In the preview, report automatically generated, and you can see the report here. See, you can see the
Yeah.
report. Everything is created. So even the data are showing here are maintained properly. We loading load on load data things are there. Let me show you one thing
Okay.
here from things section. Let me share from here. Okay, let's see, you have to create the same share application things like Google did. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so it's a Google things, like we can share the means it's the interface is Google, but application behind is our idea. That similarly, like Google, they are have the option to publish the project or the particular setup, like documents, privately, publicly, or in a group. Okay, or even you can share the project. So settings are there that help the user for the thing. And once I generate that report, so that I can click and I can show from here. Even the export import are different thing, so that is from backend side, but we are managing the data in a way so that user can get it properly. So see,
Okay.
data are showing, okay, in the same form. Even is calculating the width and height on load. Okay, means it's not fixed there. Sometimes may happen that the data content are bigger and smaller. Okay, so because of that, is cell size is bigger and smaller. It's normal, right? In JavaScript, in UI, you cannot control the data. You have to change the data, process the data, and make sure data should show properly. So that thing is there.
Okay.
So those are things are here in the report section. Even like in the word you can see that multiple pages you can show in the same page, right? Even you can see this do the same thing. If I zoom out, see,
Okay. Okay.
and like that, because that if they are using in a bigger resolution screen
Monitors.
monitors, can say monitor is not important. Resolution is
The
important.
resolution. Yes, yes.
Resolution is a large resolution. So then we can show the data in a way so that they can play it properly. Even for you worked on Zira, right? So let me show you something on Zira's things. Okay, just wait. I already thing, but it's quite. It's not yet published yet. But how Zira is doing? Just wait. I'm showing you one thing. So for the Zira, they are managing the events, right?
Oh,
Right.
can you repeat again?
In
Karan?
Zira, what you are doing, you are managing the activities, right?
Yes, yes.
So let me show you something here that I already created. We are just planning to create the Kanban application. Okay, Kanban application is here. That I'm showing you here what I already created. Um, Let me go to the close and so. So for Kanban application, I'm showing you something that already created by us that, but it's not automated. Means I told you every data is populated for a database and we are showing there. But Kanban is not is done like that. But you need to do. So because I'm not told you are the expert jQuery developer, whatever I implemented here, you can enhance the feature. So I did the basic things only. Means adding columns statically and loading content statically. So what we need to do there in this section, let me go for the bigger width resolution, bigger width, and let me add some Kanban applications. See here, a lot of things are there. You have the calendar, you have the tree structure. Means tree structure means what? That you can put hierarchy things and he automatically arrange. Okay, means you are not thinking about a parent-child relationship. You are putting the things and the libraries that are there that managing the data and showing the tree structure.
Okay.
Okay, so that is a different thing. And for the thing here and this, even chat is there. Chat is not implemented yet, but Kanban. So here Kanban. So Kanban is here. See, you use Kanban right on Zero. So you can once the project is done, you can putting this thing doing and then going and then done, right?
Yes, yes. Karan.
So same thing I created here from here, but it's not there in the data, right? You are putting some things here, like you are clicking the rich data is opening, and then you are putting the task. You can doing statically task one, okay, but data are not moving automatically here. It's static thing. I told you data, right? Data means that in Jira you did, you are putting the date and you put some filter there. It's done. Then you automatically change to this, right?
Mm-hmm.
But here what is not automated yet, that you will do this thing for us.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the one particular requirement I'm telling you. I'm telling you overall flow. Okay,
Yeah,
so in
yeah.
this
I
section,
can.
if I'm going this section for um, this development mode, you can see here dev, so developing. So I have hard time to develop right now. Quite less time right now. Anurag is telling me to work on the backend section.
Okay.
So go to the backend and someone like you are expert guy that you can manage the UI section. Um, so see here is this section, and let me show you something here. Like
Okay.
in documentation, if you create some documentation, what do? You need to go for some expert documentation application. You need to purchase a plan, right? And then you need to create your own document, right?
Yes.
Normally this is a scenario. Otherwise you have to hire someone who will create the content for you, and you will then you have to wait for the guy. But
Yeah.
here what we are doing, we are creating something. let me show you here. Let me share this thing and show you that what I implemented here. Let me open this thing. Okay, so in this document application, see in this section you can create the documents one after one. Find like if I click this section, it's a huge document. Like I copy the document from what you say. I have to copy the document. IS testing, because of that thing. Is design is not is looking odd. Like its color is not good. But I'm testing this thing. So I'm copying that content from Amazon. Okay, directly copy the content like Amazon. Everything is copying, right? And then I'm saving with a hierarchy. Parent is what, all the things, right?
Okay. Yes.
Now, if I go to the test, means there is things that where you can show the all the data. Okay, see structures, tree structure automatically maintained, right? If I click the content, then see it's showing the data. Similar like the if you go to the Amazon or Microsoft document, you will see the similar thing. So it's created and it's automated in our system. You can create your own document. You can create your own tree structure.
Oh, okay.
By you. So you are giving the tool and by which you can playing with this. Okay. Let me show you one thing extra. What are the things we are giving the user, so that you are the guy who will enhance the feature here, or you will implement and upgrade feature.
Okay.
We log in with the another account.
So, Karan, I will be working on the front end, right?
Yeah, front end, everything front end.
Okay, front end involves what kind of tasks? I mean, which are the areas I'm going to
Yeah,
perform?
those are the areas I'm telling you. All the things, the area you have to work on.
Okay, okay.
One from one. And now see, I'm showing you one thing, event management thing. Okay. So like in Jira, you have the event management. I'm giving you the name here, leave management. It's up to the
Yeah.
user. They can create event management, they can create task management, whatever. Like let me open this thing. And for the calendar application, let
Okay.
me share the application here and open it from here. Okay, once I open this section, by default it will open the calendar application. Okay, so in this section they can navigate from here. Okay, it's I think it's something is not working. To check because it's development mode, right? So this calendar is there. Even what are the things are there in the leave application, I can request for the leave and the data will come automatically because it's a leave from other user. It's a group. Okay, in a group you have 1,000 people, right? They can put their own content, and in the section, the calendar section, you can see this is a calendar where you can see that content, who created the content, the date of the content, and time and the other things. Even for the section, this section, you can see here. Even let me show you one thing. Okay, so let me go to the list page. I think it's something is there. Okay, so these are data only. So you can segment weekly, you can segment daily, monthly. So see here, this is sections on a section. Like opening the content, dialogues, so showing the information. When we are planning, like one recommend is there. So once the content is open, anyone can edit that content automatically. It reflects in the event section. Okay. We need to
Okay.
pass the data to library. Library will process the thing and then show in the section
Okay.
without closing the content. So this is event management. Okay, and Kanban is another event management tool. So those are things we are planning. We are in the creating right now. Already basic things are done. We are planning for enhancement, right? Because the things are basic. Basic is not good for selling, right? So
Yes,
for
yes.
selling, we have to find task, or if the users are requiring something more, we are planning. We can enhance the feature, right? But problem is library can give us the flexibility, but library cannot give us the maximum benefit of the tool. because we have to follow the library standard.
Yes, yes,
Right?
Kalyan.
But if we can create our own library like I am doing, so that once client asks me something, I can make the application similar as per their client requirement, is optimized. That is our requirement.
Okay.
So I believe that I give you the almost the overview of the project.
Yeah, yeah, I got it,
It's,
Kalyan.
it's, it's, it's only one flow. Okay, it's not a
Mhm.
complete thing. Even have the workflow, right? In the
Yes.
workflow, dragging, dropping, playing with content, by dragging, by menus, management. Those are things that there. Like I'm showing you what I'm giving one hint there. Just wait. For event management tools, let me open this thing. Let me open this thing. Because managing the HTML content and optimizing that thing, and thereafter by reading the HTML content, you need to create the JSON so that data backend API can understand what this client is, what user is writing. Right? Let me show you something here for the workflow. In the workflow section, if you can drag and drop, if you can choose this one, and then if you write the if statement, right, in if else condition, so you are doing something like you are putting this thing and then putting some value. Okay, you did this statement, right? But how backend know what is the things you are writing, right?
Yes.
But what that means, once the user is doing something, you need to make this thing in XML or JSON for the database for the backend side, so that backend means whatever API I'm creating, that since the data is at least this is the purpose of the data, what I think will do. That is the thing. You see, if you choose this section and then if you click that query statement, in query statement things are there that you can write your own SQL query. Okay, things are there. Like if you even if you query instructions, in query instructions there is one instruction that you can write from here, and then another instruction you can choose from database and then choose the statement. Things are there. Means from the structure we are sensing that what are things are there that we can provide the user can play with the data.
Okay.
So this is the things I give you the basic things. Even for tool management, like whenever you are doing something like if you are changing, like if you are changing this thing to this, okay, and now going to this section, and then you are going to this section, data should sense, right? See, if I click here and this is aerial, if I click here, there is a change thing like I choose. So these are
Okay.
things that it sends. It's all interactive. It sends that it helps the user what are things are happening. Even I'm showing you in the sections, the report sections, that what is this. It's the complicated things are there. Let me show you one thing here in the report. Okay, let me go to the section on this section. Yes. Okay, and in this section, if I go to the report section, like in Google Doc, did you use Google Doc?
Yes, Kalyan.
Okay, okay. So in Google Doc, if you see there, in this section, I'm showing you one thing. I didn't complete that thing that in that level. I create something not that much, because I believe that you are the expert. You can make it most perfectly. But just see here. If I click this section, is showing something. Okay. If I change this thing, okay. If I change this thing, click this thing, then click, and then if I click this section, and thereafter if I change the color here to this, and if I switch, see is changed. Now if I switch, this is reflecting what are the present status or
Yes,
state.
yes.
So this if I put this thing justified, then put this thing on left. If I click there, see justified. Then if I click this thing left, so this is the responsive things.
Yeah, yeah, Kalyan.
So
Everything
those
is
are
working.
things. I'm just giving you if all our things are written in JavaScript, and
Okay.
which is quite complicated. We use the jQuery library because most of the places, but library means only the structure, jQuery library. But we are not using third-party library like drag and drop. Not everything like if I drag something, see, this is the built by us, okay, not by the library. If I
Okay.
drag something, it's a built by us. Okay, if I choose this thing similar like this is created. So it's, everything is built by us. Whenever we come and you need to create from scratch, or you use the existing some other places, if something is created in this section, in this section, no, I think in this section we create the C, we create this already. So if it is created already, we can use this thing in report applications, other page, like in this section. Even tab management is there, so things, lot of things are there. I forget other things. I create other things. It's quite hard to remember other things. Once Anurag is creating the requirement, I'm creating one after one. So you will have to do this thing. Then. Okay.
Okay.
So do you have any question before you start?
I need to work on the I'm going to work on the jQuery part, and as well as the about the CSS things, right?
Yeah, basically for this thing, uh, you have you master the idea of jQuery and idea of CSS and HTML, right? From UI
Yes,
side.
yes, yes, yes.
If you have
Okay.
the complete idea about those things, then you can completely easily work on this thing. Because I am not the expert on this field. I am backend guy, but still I develop this thing. I believe you can do it far better than me.
Mm.
So it's, then you can check with Anurag, and then you can start.
Okay, okay, Karan. And what is the backend technology we are using here?
Either dot for this thing. Our things are all in .NET, right? I'm showing you here. I'm just
Okay, .NET.
doing something. These we are using Visual Studio 19. Okay,
Okay,
you can see here Visual Studio
2019.
19,
Yes.
and this is the version we are using. Basically, in this section right now, previously we are all in same place, but we are separating the things. Right now, we are API. Our API is managing this thing. Right? See here, if you can see, let me show you. See the API for the backends are done by me, and everything is maintained by there. Only these sections for UI. Okay, everything is UI.
Okay.
You can see UI from these sections, and from the here is all images, JavaScript, because I'm learning. Okay, I told you I'm not expert. I'm learning because of that thing. Things are there, a lot of things are there, testing the things, creating multiple things. So that's it for now. Whatever I feel to explain to you now. Once you start working, then once the recovery will come, then you can ask me questions. Whatever I know, I can explain you. Other things you can know by debugging, right?
Okay. And Kalyan, shall I need to talk with Anurag about this, about the
Yeah.
next step?
If oh,
Okay, okay. So
if Anurag will only hire you, right? You
yeah,
need
yeah,
to work with me only. So
yeah, definitely.
question you can ask me anything. If you
Okay, okay,
want to
okay.
know anything, I can tell you, because
No.
Anurag asked me that he will Anurag will provide me one expert UI developer who can play role play role my role that
Mm.
or better than me, so that we can enhance the feature. That's it. So you can discuss with me. If you have any question, you can ask me now.
Yeah, sure. Okay. And this is a server under or API based?
It's API based. I
Okay,
told you
okay.
right. The API.
Yeah.
API is calling from that section. Like I'm showing here one section. I was working on this particular library, like checking things. Like I'm telling you, report or same thing that things are doing that section. But I'm showing
Okay.
you one section here, transaction. See here for data. You need
Okay,
to
okay.
call the Ajax. That's it. And data are there. Once you have the data, you have the option to populate the data. Things are there, like object. See, there prototypes are there, so you can use that thing.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Even
and
for loading the data for the see here for content loading, you can the Ajax query. That's it. You need for data, you have the Ajax query to call API. If you want a requirement, I provide the API, then you will play with the data. to show the data, managing the things that user can easily use the tool.
Yeah. Right, Anurag.
So, are you ready to work now?
You mean the test task?
Okay. So let me then if you want to taste the thing, then you can check the thing. I already shared the thing, right? Let me show you here. See, I already shared this thing, right? From here, you can create your own account. Free account is there. Everything
Okay.
is free. So we didn't put any restrictions there. You can create your own account. You can play with the tools, and then you can take decisions that when you can start.
Okay, Anurag.
Okay.
Sorry, Kalyan.
Okay then. Check me. If you have any question, call me directly.
Yeah, sure, Kalyan.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Kalyan.
Welcome.
Bye bye.